All right, Mehendi. Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Meanwhile, Delhi LG VK Saxena has slammed Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal, calling his statement on Shakur Basti a complete lie. This comes after Arvind Kejriwal alleged that the Bharatiya Janata Party has tendered the land for Shakur Basti slum. He addressed LG Saxena of changing the rules. VK Saxena has denied Kejriwal's allegations and affirmed that Delhi Development Authority has neither changed the land use of this colony nor has the DDA given any eviction or demolition notice, and accused Kejriwal of misleading the people. Let's in fact listen in.
आज श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल शकूर बस्ती की झुग्गियों के नजदीक गए। वहां उन्होंने शकूर बस्ती की झुग्गियों के विषय में जो बयान दिया वो सरासर झूठ है। उन्होंने 27 दिसंबर की डीडीए की बैठक का हवाला देते हुए कहा कि एलजी ने इस जमीन का लैंड यूज चेंज कर दिया है। डीडीए ने ना तो इस बस्ती का लैंड यूज चेंज किया है और ना ही डीडीए ने कोई इविक्शन अथवा डिमोलिशन नोटिस दिया है। श्री केजरीवाल जानबूझकर कोरा झूठ बोल रहे हैं और लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं। 27 दिसंबर की मीटिंग में जिस रेलवे की जमीन का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से रेजिडेंशियल में लैंड यूज चेंज करने का चर्चा हुई थी, वह रेलवे की दूसरी खाली जमीन है जिस पर कोई भी झुकी नहीं है।
We have with us my colleague Arzu Seth joining us on the telecast. Arzu, we continue to see the slum dwellers issue is the flashpoint ahead of Delhi polls. Earlier, we have seen Amit Shah also addressing a conference of that, and he met 3,000 cluster heads of slum heads. And now we're seeing that there's an ongoing tussle between Arvind Kejriwal and LG Saxena. So what exactly is this whole political war of words all about?
Well, Ria, see, if we talk about the people living in the slum area are one of the key voters in the Delhi Assembly elections, and that's why you can clearly see ahead of the Delhi Assembly election, the focuses remain the same. As Aam Aadmi Party claims that, it is being known that the slum people are the voters of the Aam Aadmi Party. So everyone going to these slum areas, visiting their nights, talking to them, and now, issuing a challenge to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Yesterday, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal said that he would not contest the Delhi elections if the BJP withdraw cases related to the slum demolition, and given an understanding, undertaking in the court that all the displaced people would be rehabilitated on the lands they have been evicted from within the 24 hours. And if this will be done, he will not contest the elections. Also, he said that BJP doesn't care about anyone and they are just remembering the slum people ahead of the election just for the votes. And also, as the BJP claimed that they will give Jahan Juggi Wahan Makan, talking about it, but they haven't told about whose Makan. So there was a clearly attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party that, their places will be taken, the plots will be taken and will be given to someone else. So this was the statement that was given by the Arvind Kejriwal. Also, he stated that your jhuggi will be taken, your jhuggi will be demolished after the election will be held in the national capital. So after this, now the LG VK Saxena has in fact issued a statement regarding this, saying that the Arvind Kejriwal visited the Shakur Basti. And what he talked about is a complete lie, citing the DDA meeting of 27 December. LG has stated that, he used, change that there were no order of demolition being given, and also he stated that there were 2 MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party that were present there, and if Arvind Kejriwal would have talked with them, he would not lie in such a way. If Arvind Kejriwal would have walked to 2 to 3 kilometers in the slum area of Shakur Basti, he would understand how people are living there. There is a water scarcity, there is a not proper sanitation work that has been done in this slum area. So LG has cleared the things. Also, he also said that LG has changed the land for use of, land. DDA has neither changed the land use of this colony nor DDA has given any eviction and demolition notice. So this has also been cleared by the LGVK Saxena, and he also asked the Arvind Kejriwal to stop lying on this issue, where on the other side Arvind Kejriwal said that if you vote for Bharatiya Janata Party, they will come and demolish all your juggies and also will give your area, your place to some other, to their friends. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. The surrender of